Discover the vibrant taste and cultural history of San Francisco's Chinatown and this delightful Best of San Francisco food tour. Join a friendly, small group walking tour led by a knowledgeable foodie guide who will take you to explore the fascinating shops, murals, and cultural artifacts of Chinatown and Portsmouth Square. Start by meeting your guide at the iconic Dragon's Gate entry and taste fresh fortune cookies at the hidden gem of the Chinese fortune cookie factory. Savor authentic boba tea in the Rose Valley and sample baked delights from the celebrated Garden Bakery and House of a Dim Sum. End the tour with a tasting of a Chinese tea and photo stop at the Zodiac Wall. A food tour is inclusive of all food and the tour itinerary is mindful of your safety and health. Discover the rich cultural and culinary history of San Francisco's Chinatown on this unforgettable food tour.